Hi there, how y'all doing? My name's Tony, and you're watching Driving Miss Crazy. Okay, you ever have one of those experiences where you pick a customer up for their ride, and they're as awkward as you know what? And it is just like, what do you do? It's just like awkwardness. It's just, it's gross, makes me sick. Out. Ooh, don't like it. Anyway, I had a trip where it was completely awkward as you know what. And when I picked this young lady up, it just made me sad in my heart. But I just thought I would share it with you and get some therapy here, y'all. All right, y'all, it's time to get a little bit on the soapbox, just a tiny bit. So first thing that happens when I get over there, her boyfriend is waiting right next to his trailer, and he's going to ask me for a smoke. Super, super classy. So here's the deal. I always try to create small talk. I think it's my job to make you happy. I want to earn your tip. I want to be a polite person. And if someone does not want to talk, I totally get that. I've had one of those days where I just want to be left alone, and I do think it is totally appropriate for silence. But you all know when you get into a car and there's that type of silence, it's not because someone just wants to do their own thing and be left alone. It's because there's either some hate in their heart, maybe a racist thing, maybe they don't like you, they judge you, I don't know, but they don't want to be next to you as a human being. And that's how it felt on this trip. So always try to start a conversation, but if a conversation's not going to happen, I'm not going to go for it. And yes, she was picking her nose. What? I don't know. I don't know if it was a millennial thing. I don't know. I'm like about in my 40s here. I don't know what was going on, but this girl was not having it. Every single time I started a conversation, that's what I got. Anyway, what do y'all do? When you're in a situation like this, do you just sit there in the awkward silence or what? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Awkward as you know what. Oh boy.